Hey, what's up, my Cardano holders? This is live price prediction of Cardano. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button. 93% has not subscribed our YouTube channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any last hour. So this is live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can see here the 1 hour result is here. The changes of Cardano, as you can see here, is plus 0.73%. Absolutely very good going. You can see here a lot of people is going down to sell it. You can see here and the graph the people are going to sell it. You can see here the highest change of Cardano is here 1.12 US dollar. Absolutely good profit. I hope this is absolutely, because I am also Cardano holder. You can see here I'm so excited, I'm so happy. If you want to communication, please click comment on click the subscribe for touching. Okay, so let's see. This is live price prediction of last 2 hour. You can see here this is very bad. You can see here this is selling time, but the last 1 hour result, if we can say that this is there going upwards. So you can see here the minus 0.54 as a percent. This is absolutely, you can see here the and the graph, you can see here and the graph here, this they are going down. So what we can say, this is absolutely very bad change. You can see here this is minus. This is most important problem is this is minus. So this is minus 0.54%. This is absolutely very bad. Let's see the last 4 hour result. I hope the last 4 hour result are also good. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely very bad. So what we can say that I think today is very bad day, but the if we can say the last 1 hour result, then there is going upward. So let's see how is it possible today, what they profit give us. So let's see. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you, my brothers. Okay, I updating you. Please you click this the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. Okay, so let's see next time. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.